One of those tornadoes touched down in this community, and early reports suggest that this was an EF3 with wind speeds of more than 135 miles per hour. What's left is now a massive debris field, home after home completely ripped apart. And in this drone shot, you can actually see the scope of the damage and almost make out the path the tornado took, wiping out everything in its way. This morning, millions across the central and southern plains bracing for even more potentially dangerous severe weather. It comes after at least 10 states were hit by tornadoes this weekend, including several on Sunday alone. Like Colorado, this twister blowing debris off buildings, and more fierce winds whipping up in Kansas. While in Missouri, entire neighborhoods in St. Louis are picking up the pieces.
And I opened the door, and this whole thing was just open.
After a massive EF3 tornado devastated thousands of homes, killing multiple people. The same storm system sweeping through Kentucky, taking 19 more lives.
Right now, all our efforts are still focused on searching and rescuing anyone who might still be in danger.
Many residents in disbelief.
You see this on TV, but you don't expect this to happen to someone in your family, and let alone like you.
With more severe weather ahead, there is growing concern over staffing and budget cuts at the National Weather Service. One example coming recently during a tornado outbreak in Jackson, Kentucky, where a union official said its usual staff of meteorologists was reduced and left without an overnight forecaster. But the agency telling NBC News the office remained fully staffed through the duration of the event using surge staffing. And back here in Kentucky, we're also hearing so many stories of survival. In fact, one family telling us they were inside the hallway of this home when the tornado came through. Incredibly, everyone made it out alive without any injuries. Hard to believe when you see the devastation this close. And now it's a race to salvage what they can, personal heirlooms, keepsakes, as this next storm moves in this week. Savannah?
Those images are incredible. Kathy, thank you very much.
We want to say good morning to Al right now. Al, this was a rough go for a lot of folks across that region, and there's more for them still to come.
That's the big part of the big problem, Peter. It was Savannah, good morning, and good morning to you. Unfortunately, we've got a multi-day event with this system. Storms will be moving from the plains to the Ozarks. We've got a severe threat that's going to be ramping up this afternoon. We're talking damaging hail, 2 inches or more in diameter, wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour, but we've got this area of enhanced risk of where we could see EF2 or stronger tornadoes from Kansas City, Springfield, Oklahoma City, down to Dallas. So we're watching that. Then tomorrow, this storm pushes east into the Tennessee Valley. The threat will increase in the afternoon. Nocturnal tornadoes, twice as deadly as your normal ones. Look at this area from Paducah, Nashville, Memphis, down to Birmingham, Huntsville. Again, EF2 tornadoes possible with torrential rain and strong winds. It moves east into Georgia and the Carolinas. A few storms possible, especially late in the afternoon on Wednesday. We've got a wide swath of 1 to 3 inches of rain, guys, but some areas could be even looking at more, and the areas already have been inundated, so we're talking about the possibility of flash flooding as well. Guys?
All right, Al, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.